In this video, I will show you how to create this type of motion graphics in DaVinci Resolve. Check on the use vertical resolution and click on save. And now go to right click timelines, create new timeline and create the timeline. And our timeline is good to go. Now go to effects and drag a fusion composition. Now open in fusion page and you will see this type of interface. So at first let's create the background. So I will drag a background node, then go to solid color and go to color and click this. So our background is ready and I'm gonna add a texture that will makes our scene more alive. So to do this I am gonna go to my textures, then this is my folder of texture. If you want then comment me in the comment section, and I'm gonna drag this and I'm gonna close this. Okay, and I will connect this and I will make sure that the blend mode is set to screen and lower the okay, you got it what I mean. So I think the background isn't good, so I'm gonna go it here and I'm gonna do this like this and go to this section and change blend modes and click on dissolve, then click like this and this will be your composition. And now all you have to do, your background is now ready, and make sure you go to media in and select the loop button so that it will continue playing forward. So let's go to edit page and make sure it's a quite lengthy I think, and let's go to fusion page, drag another fusion composition right here and like this, and I will go to fusion page and this is the scene that will look like. So now all the things are ready and we are gonna create these two. So let's review this. So I have dragged my DaVinci Resolve logo and I will place it right here. Okay, so go and grab a background node, then go to media out and connect this, and you will see like this. So make sure the background alpha is 0, and now you are gonna do like connect this to the background's output and this will look like this. And before doing anything, make sure you have checked on transform and you will go like here, so the position that we all want. Okay, this, grab a polygon node like here and make sure it is off, and now press Ctrl and scroll wheel and do like this. Let's make it fit and like this. You got it what I mean. So let's Ctrl C and hit Ctrl V and do it like here, and everything is good. So let's make it normal. So you will see like this. So go to polygon and check on the invert button. So officially we have now splitted our DaVinci Resolve logo, and now we are gonna do you will see like this. So if I off this, and you will see there are little more cracks, and to avoid these cracks all you have to do is go to polygon node and go to border width and decrease it, and it will look like this. So everything is sorted. So now grab the transform node and you will see the pivot option and make sure the show controls channel is on, and you will see like this, and make sure you would selected the right part. So to select this, let's off this, and you don't need to off this, and you just see Control P and it will hide like this. And we are gonna go like the transform node, and you have to make sure that the point is still clear. So to make it sure, do it like here, sorry, and all things are sorted now, and go to Control and P and you will see like this, and this time delete it and hit Control C and hit Control V. Okay, and now it is good. And make sure that you are organizing your node workflow, node chart before doing anything, because it will look more professional. And go to transform node and hit on Control P and you will see the exact point. You got it what I mean. And place on like this. So this is the thing and everything is good. So hit on again Ctrl P, and we are now successfully achieved our thing. And go to transform 1 and go to 30 frames, and make sure the thing is not disturbing us, and we will gonna do like this. Okay, so go to transform 1 and zoom it like this. So click on the transform button and you will get to see like this, and click on the angle button and go to 60 frames and hit Ctrl V. Then you will see like this, and go to this transform, hit Ctrl V and remove the minus button, and now go to 30 frames and make it 0. So it will look like this. So make sure all things are selected by hitting Ctrl and select both of them, and go to spline, check all of these, and go to fit, Ctrl A S, and go to ease and select out cubic, and it will look like this. Okay, so our splitting section is now complete, and go and grab a transform node, select it like here, go to 0 frame and click on the center button, go to 30 frame and click on OK, and go to previous frame and decrease it like this, and make sure it all get underground and everything is okay. Now hit on spline, Ctrl A, select as T, then make sure it is around 40 and make it like 50. So you will see like this. Now we have to create the wavy animation, and to create this all you have to do is go and grab a background node, then add a merge node, connect all this and make sure it is connected, and go to background and select this and select on the mask icon, organize it and hit on the background section and go and select gradient, then hit Ctrl Z, then zoom out of the frame, and now at first remove the polygon keyframe and remove this. Okay, and go to background and make sure the black is in the downside and it is on the upside, and make sure it is look like this. And now all you have to do is like select this, go there, and we have to make a gradient and make sure it make like this, and you can see the hexadecimal by the way. If you want to copy this you can copy, and go here and select on this, and you will see pink option, select it and make it dark and hit on OK, then go back again and make sure it is spreaded, not this but this. It will look like this. So it is now OK, and we are gonna on the our polygon, and make sure you are all ready, and all you have to do is go here and select and now this time I will make a different type of shade. So now it is ready, and hit on this and hit Alt and make it linear. It will look like this. Remember I have waviness on. If I off this it will look like this, and I hit on, go to here and it will look like this. Go to 0 frame, sorry, go to 30 frame, hit on size keyframe and go to 60 frame and increase it again and decrease it, and make sure the waviness is on, so it will look like this. Make sure it is off, otherwise it will make troubles. So now all you have to do is select all this and hit shift and drag it here, and make sure it is before this. Okay, and do it like this. This will look like this. So it is all I wanted to tell you. If I play it on the hair, so you will see this type of cracks, and to avoid this type of cracks, all you have to go, you can do it two different times. Like if you want to change the, you can adjust the polygon if you want. So I'm going that, and you can also change the rotation. So I'm not gonna change it, and I will hit Alt and I will drag it here. So it will look like this, and now it is pretty good, I think. And if you are seeing similar thing, you can, like, you can rotate, you can less the rotate and do all of the things, but I think it's okay. My message is to tell you how to create this type of animation. So it is ready. So hit on transform and go to spline, hit OK, go zoom to fit, then Control A, and it is all set. Okay, my mistake, sorry. Hit this and go to size, hit on shift, zoom to fit, then Control A, then S, then ease out cubic, and it will look like this. Okay, I will resolve the problem. Okay, so make sure you selected the transform node, and all you have to do is like closer the x-axis and go do it like this. Okay, and I am again saying that you can change it by doing in the polygon also. So if I really want, then I can really change, but it will it is not really important because I can change it, you can see. But I think it is like, my message is to tell you how to do it, and you all get it how to do it. So it is ready. So if you shift space, type on soft glow, you will get this drop shadow, and make sure that it is closed, because it will it will make a habit of making good videos. And go it here and drag it here, and hit shift and drag it here, and it will get connect this. Okay, and I will less the gain, and I will increase the glow size, and it will look like this. And hit Control C and go here, check all these, hit Control V and hit Control V, like select one this and make sure you have drop shadow. Okay, I'm not gonna do this. So the drop shadow is ready. Make sure the strength isn't too high, and make sure the distance isn't, and make sure hit Control C, hit Control V, and our first animation is ready. To create the second animation, go and drag again Fusion composition, and the this time it will be a little lengthy, so you have to watch till the end, and go to Fusion page, and it will look like this. And this time you don't have to drag a background node. I will tell you the smart technique. So the editing which I am showed you, like it was this. So it is, and I will make sure it is here. And now I will go and drag a text node. Great, and go and select Helvetica and select the bold italic version. Okay, and make sure it is black. And now go to layout and make it like this. Great, hit Control C, hit Control V, hit Control hit Control V, and you will see like this. Create these things. Okay, these are really important, and I'm again telling you to organize your node workflow, otherwise you will get a habit of doing messy things. You got it what I mean. And now do it like this, and yeah, I will make sure it is here. and I will connect this to our media out, and our media out is here, offers. Make sure, okay, I'm telling you this, and go and make sure it is white, and now go and drag a merge node and make sure it is, and make sure it is not green input, because green input is our foreground input and we all have to do is our background input. So select on merge and hit Ctrl T and it will swap the input, and our background is ready without affecting, like without doing such things. And go X and do this, and you will see the font, and I have tried, so I got this. So make sure it is big enough and go to layout, do this, you got it. Now we have to change the color, and go to color, and I'll make sure the color is like this. So check the hexadecimal, hit on OK, and do it in a like this, it is all okay. And click on this and go and drag it here, deserve. And this time you all have to go to the gradient section and just swap the input, bus, everything is okay. Now change the text size and make sure it is bold, not bold italic, and decrease the tracking and make it like this. So adjust this according to your need. And to your surprise, now we are gonna animate our first animation. Go to first frame, click on opacity keyframe, go to 8 frames and hit on this, go to past frame and decrease it. And this time go to second text, go to shading, go to opacity, hit on keyframe, then go to 16, hit again, go past and decrease it again, go to 16, that is like opacity button, go to 24 and hit it again, go and back like this, and it will look like this. Okay, and to create this type of moving animation we'll use transform node. And now the workflow will get a little messy, so make sure you all have selected all these node, hit Ctrl space and hit underlay node, and go underlay node, hit F2 and write texts, and it will help you organize when you are working on the big project. And now, so I don't have these videos, but I will tell you how to do these animation. So to create this, I'm gonna drag a transform node, and you'll see I'm go to 27 frame, hit on the X keyframe and go to 60 frame, I think, yeah, and do like this, and go to spline, check all the boxes, zoom to fit, Control A, T, S and click on this and make sure it is around 60, I think. Make sure it is more. Okay, see, our first animation is ready. Okay, and make sure grids are on, hit Ctrl Z. And to create the animation, go background and drag one rectangle node and create on this, and hit on this, and you will have to manage it and zoom it here and go here and drag it. So we got our size, and I'm gonna do like a little bit of whiter side. Okay, and hit Ctrl C, Ctrl V and Ctrl V. So I'm gonna tell you, I don't have these videos, so I cannot tell you where to find this, but I can tell you that you just have to go to media pool and you have to import it and drag it here, and like all things are ready, everything is same. So all you have to do is select this, and select this, and that is why I always like to organize, because it quite gets messy, I think. Okay, and now we are gonna do this, and we are gonna do this, and make sure one transform node is selected, and make sure it is connected here. And this time here are one things to do, like hit another transform node, and all you have to do is drag these and background, then again transform, then again, then again. So first transform for this, and second transform I will use it here. So we'll go here, and I will decrease the size, and it will go like this, and I hit Ctrl C, delete it, hit Ctrl V, and I will do it here. So if things are looking mismatched, like make it match like this, and you will see that this is my channel ID, I have made it. So if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe, I'm not forcing you to do. Okay, so to do this we have to grab a text node, and I think I did again a mistake. Okay, so it is ready. Now select this and hit duplicate, and select this, and here you will get another merge for sure, and hit on the transform and make it here, and hit again transform. You got it, what I mean. So we have now adjusted these. Okay, and now hit on this and go and select S, Y, and and make sure it is black. Go to layout and select -90, and now go to text section and decrease the font, zoom it here, zoom it here also. And now I will go here, and not needed by the way, I just have to go here and decrease the size a little bit again, and our position is good to go. And go to duplicate node, select this and hit 3, and go to center and do this and drag it like this, and you will get these copies. And I'm getting a little bit problem, but okay, I will manage it. Okay, so now there is another thing to do. Just select this and hit on, select on this and do this, and you will get another copy, just to make sure the thing is connected by the both of the sides. So okay, I think now you can clearly see what I am doing. And now go here and merge selection and zoom to fit and drag it here. Make sure it is in the center, and it is good to go. So all our animation is ready, and you will see like this, and you have to go to 0 frame and drag it here. Make sure the red line, and select this, and all you have to do is go here and drag this. And now go to transform node, hit F2 and select and right, left and shift and drag it here, and you will see what the magic is. Yeah, okay, so our animation is quite good, I think. Now all you have to do is go and grab another merge node, I mean transform node, and hit F2, hit up, and it will look like this. and go here, and you will see it is around 60 frame. Go here and hit this, and you will see like it will go at around 110 frames. And make sure it is slide a bit up here and drag it here. So I did a mistake, and you just have to do like this. Okay, and the motion is linear, and go to spline, hit Ctrl A S, and go to I'm sorry, like go here and select, I will select it 48, I think. It is too slow. I will make it a little faster. Okay, so it is ready. Okay, and go to media pool, and you need this image, so I will drag it. So I have this image, and I will drag it here, and I will click on this media pool. And now all I have to do is go here. No, at first I will go here, and I will create a animation type. So the thing isn't in, so I will go and drag a transform node. I will lessen the size, and I will make sure that it is and it will look like this, and you can do it here and here. Okay, and go and drag I will do like this. I will make sure it is here, and I will joint it here, and I will go that generate U. I will type this. I will select Helvetica, make it black, and make it like this. Go layout and position it like here, and all you have to do is go to text, right click, and character level styling, then go to modifier, then select the dat and small the size. And I will do it like this. So the things are ready now. So you see what I did, and all you have to do and go and grab a transform node, and make sure it is in down, and go and up to here, and now all the magic will happen automatically. Yeah, I know it's not similar, but my goal is not to tell you what the tool is. I just want to show how to recreate this. I'm not gonna copy that. And if you still want, I can do it too. I just need to adjust this and that. It's up to you. I can do. Okay, and to again do this, and I am again saying that do this. you can use underlay node, and I'm gonna select it and hit underlay. Go to here and make sure it is orange, hit F2 and write this BG. And the things will look like this. All you have to do is drag these here, and now I can do the keyframing in this, but I will prefer another node. That is again the transform node. I'm gonna add it here, and if I see that it's going 110 to 138. Okay, so hit on this and go here, hit on the 110 frame and click on this and go here and make sure the Y is like this, and make sure your grid is on. Okay, and it will look like this. Okay, so let's do it. So zoom to fit, Control S and make it little faster. I think it's too fast. I think no, I will make it look like this. And now we have to create a flip animation, and to create this, okay, so let's rename it down. And now again grab a transform node and hit F2 and do it like rotate, and it is like okay, we'll have to do 138th frame. So hit an angle keyframe and go to 172 frame, hit on again and hit 90. Okay, and hit on this, go to spline, check on this, go Control A S and make it a little smoother. I think this is far more smooth. Yeah, so it will be like this. And to create this type of like background animation, you have to do like go and grab a background node and merge node and make it like this. Go here, do this and click on the rectangle mask, and you have to go it like here. And make sure it will look like this, and we'll have to see 134 to 172. Okay, and we'll drag it till here, and we will go here and we will place it before it, and it will look like this. And you can see the clear edge behind it. And before doing this, go to spline, hit this and go this and Control A S, and I think I should do this, I think. And go to background and go to image section, deselect the auto resolution and max out the width, and you will see this animation. So I can really do like, okay, I will show you. Make sure it is here, and okay, and max it out. And I forgot, you don't need to max this out, just to make sure it is quite here, and it is similar, I think. Yeah, and go to spline and go again, Control A, and this time drag it like this, 51. Okay, and now you will see there is a slight zoom, and to create the zoom we'll have to do another transform node, drag it here and F2, select zoom. So let's see where is the zoom. It's from 172 to 183, and zoom it like this. And make sure go to zoom spline, hit Control A and hit only S, but don't do anything else, and our animation is ready. Okay, and to create the text animation, go and again you can copy this, but I will make, okay, let's copy this. Okay, Control C, Control V, and I will make sure it is longer enough, and I will connect on this. So let's do like one thing. So I will drag it here, I will click on the merge, and I will go and select what should I do, like I have to choose black color, and that separates. Okay, let's see, like do for a while and increase it. Go again, Helvetica, and okay, let's say bold, italic. Character level styling, modifier, that, you'll see like this. And one thing you will have to absolutely notice that the fading animation starts from, I think, 174 frame. Go to text and go to shading, and now go to opacity, click on this and go to 180 frames, click on this, go to previous frame and decrease it, and you'll see like this. And all I have to do is click it here, and I have to go here and I have to paste it here, and you will see a silly problem here. And to resolve this, you can do this. I don't know, a glitch occurred here, I think, and I have to do it manually. Okay, that separates edge, that separate is here. Okay, and now you will see this animation. Okay, and now to create the animation, go and grab a background node, then a merge node, place on this and this. Click on the rectangle mask, I think. So I will make it in this frame, rotate animation, and you will see that's from 170 182. Okay, it's 182 to 202 frames. And like, make sure a center keyframe is here and also a rotation keyframe is here. Before there, make sure go back one frame behind and create another keyframe so that our animation don't get disturbed, and go our past frame. $184, set on again, and it's again. I will face problems, and that's why I will create another merge. I will go here and grab another transform node, and now I will do it here. I will do it anyway, I don't care, I have to do. So to do it, all I have to do is like go our end keyframe. What is it for? Okay, go to end keyframe and make sure the X is here, the Y is here. Now you don't need to change the Y, you just only need to change the X, and you will have to do like this. Guess I did a mistake here. Go to last frame and change the direction. Okay, I did the mistake, so that's why I was thinking what I was doing wrong. And I will go here and I will do this, and now you will see and now do this, and all you have to do rotate like this, and it will go like this, and make sure to change your y-axis also, just to make sure the animation goes smooth. And now you will see the both of them are not same. That's because of like the pivot point, and to change the pivot point, go this and go there. And I think there is a glitch. When I was recreating, the glitch wasn't here. I don't know, tell me in the comment section. So if I do it here, I really don't want to mess the entire system. And it will go like this. I think the rotation and y-axis is too big, so let's make it small. And the animation is like this. Go to rotate and spline and make sure hit on this Ctrl A. And before doing anything, I just want to tell you that you have already applied keyframe graph, so you can't directly apply all of this. You have to play it smart, like check this and only select these points and hit S, and all you have to do and increase the ease in, and it will create this type of animation. I think 51 is good. So we created this. Okay. So our animation is now smooth, and now we'll have to drag a text node and another merge node, and we will click on this, and just to make sure, just hit Ctrl C and hit Ctrl V and make sure it is here, and go here and like reset it. All you need to do, and type mediocrity, type Helvetica, and go here, and I think the color is like a little darker side. This will suit good. And let's list the tracking and go to colors and go and maintain the color composure, and all you just only need to see those opacity keyframes. And the thing which I'm saying that it is on 194 frame, so I will go to 194 frame and go to shading, and I will go to alpha properties, means opacity, and in 2.4 we'll see it's 2.2 and like 2.2.3, and you'll see it here, and hit on this and just decrease it, and now you are good to go. You don't need to do anything. If you don't like the color, I will change it. Like I think the color that we should use, yeah, so the color is this, and you will see, just drag it here, and yeah, and make sure it is like this, and go and create this, and you will see that your mediocrity is here just because of this. I didn't did in the first just because I really wanted to mess it up, and it's just really simple to me, so I didn't really mind. So we'll go to Z and we'll do like this. Go text and decrease it a little bit, and go here and go here, and okay, I will adjust it by my own by selecting this. And our animation will look like this. Bravo. And there is a left right scene. So to create the scene, you have to go on the rotate frame, and it's to, okay, the date to 4. Okay, so make sure it is 2/4. Mediocrity, and go the rotate section. Go to 4 and click on this. Go to 242 and increase it like this. Just go here, and I think it is full. No, okay, no problem, it's solved, I think. Okay, go again spline and hit, select only these keyframes and hit S. No, I did a wrong thing, I think. Okay, so don't need to check the angle. Go here and do this, hit S, and make sure it is like 49 something. Okay, and just type, just Control C and Control V, and type excellence. Okay, now I will have to drag this here. Okay, so now we will do this fade in animation. Go to 26 frame and go to shading, hit opacity and go to 234 frame and do it again and hit on this, and you will get this type of shading animation. Just one thing left to do it, like go to merge and go to settings and select motion blur, and like this is before, this is after. Make sure the quality is around 6 and the angle should be like this, and you are good to go. Obviously PC will lag. Okay, and you will see this, and to avoid this you would have to go here and you have to see what is this. Okay, so this is the thing. And increase it, decrease it, and your problem is solved. So tell me, what was the how were these two tutorials? So go to playback, render cache and select on smart. Okay, so finally is ready, and you will see this and this. So tell me what was the tutorial, and tell me if you want more tutorial like this.